Which tiger reserve became India's second largest tiger reserve in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sundarban Tiger Reserve. Which city has become the first in Madhya Pradesh to receive the IGBC Green City Platinum certification? Correct answer is option C, Indore. Which authority has recently launched Operation Swarna? Correct answer is option A, Tirupati Urban Development Authority. Tamil Nadu Forest Department has recently established its second dedicated Mahoth village at which location? Correct answer is option C, Annamalai Tiger Reserve. Which two states conducted the joint census of the Nilgiri Tahas in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The Air Quality Life Index report is published by which institution recently? Correct answer is option C, Energy Policy Institute at the University of Chicago. Where will the 30th session of the Conference of the Parties to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change held in November 2025? Correct answer is option C, Belém, Brazil. Which self-help group won the Equator Initiative Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bibi Fatima Women's Self-Help Group. Which city has been declared the leopard capital of India in June 2025, surpassing Mumbai? Correct answer is option B, Bengaluru. Where is India's first butterfly sanctuary, Aralam Butterfly Sanctuary, inaugurated in June 2025? Correct answer is option D, Kerala. Where is the first botanical garden of Ladakh being established? Correct answer is option D, Shiok Village. India recently signed a memorandum of cooperation with which country on a joint credit mechanism under Article 6.2 of the Paris Agreement? Correct answer is option B, Japan. How many Ramsar sites are there in India by June 2025? Correct answer is option C, 91. Which state government has declared a Greater Flamingo Sanctuary at Dhanushkodi in June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Which national park was declared as the 58th Tiger Reserve of India? Correct answer is option D, Madhav National Park. Where was India's first Mahoth village inaugurated in May 2025? Correct answer is option D, Madhumalai Tiger Reserve. What is the new name of the 130-year-old Foy Sagar Lake? Correct answer is option C, Varun Sagar. Which state topped the management effectiveness evaluation of protected areas for the period 2020 to 2025? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which fossil park was recently added to UNESCO's tentative list for World Heritage Sites? Correct answer is option A, Salkhan Fossil Park. Which state topped the bird species count in the Great Backyard Bird Count for the third consecutive year? Correct answer is option C, West Bengal. Kichan and Menar wetlands were designated as Ramsar site in June 2025, located in which state? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. According to the 2025 census, what is the current population of Asiatic lions in Gujarat? Correct answer is option C, 891. Which region has the world's highest snow leopard density with 477 individuals? Correct answer is option B, Ladakh. Which state recorded the highest number of river dolphins in India according to the first ever estimation report? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Where was the Indian Conservation Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. According to the first ever estimation survey released in March 2025, how many river dolphins were recorded in India? Correct answer is option C, 6,327. According to the Vulture Census 2025, which Indian state recorded the highest vulture population? Correct answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Where is India's first e-waste recycling eco park being set up? Correct answer is option C, Delhi. Where is India's first green waste processing plant established under a public-private partnership model? Correct answer is option B, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Where was the European red admiral butterfly documented for the first time in India? Correct answer is option B, Dharamshala. Who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Correct answer is option A, Jayashri Venkateshan. Where was UN Ocean Conference 2025 held in June? Correct answer is option D, Nice, France. India's first hydrogen fuel cell bus launched in which city in June 2025? Correct answer is option B, Leh, Ladakh. Where is India's first green data center being set up? Correct answer is option B, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. What is the India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 10th. Where was the high-level international conference on glaciers preservation held in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Which are the first two Indian cities to be recognized as wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? Correct answer is option B, Indore and Udaipur. What is the primary goal of Operation Olivia initiated by the Indian Coast Guard? Correct answer is option B, to conserve olive ridley turtles. Which year was reported as the warmest in India's recorded history by the India Meteorological Department? Correct answer is option C, 2024. What is the new name of the Pachmani Wildlife Sanctuary in Madhya Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Raja Bhabut Singh Sanctuary. According to the 2025 census, what is the number of one-horned rhinoceroses recorded in West Bengal? Correct answer is option C, 392. India's fourth lion breeding center is planned to be established at which location? Correct answer is option C, Rajgir Zoo Safari, Bihar. Which bird recently sighted in Uttarakhand in June 2025 is the national bird of Thailand? Correct answer is option B, Siamese fireback. Which eco-sensitive zone designated in May 2025 is located in the Pulwama district of Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer is option A, Tral Wildlife Sanctuary. Where was the World Hydrogen Summit 2025 held in May? Correct answer is option B, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Which city issued India's first certified green municipal bond? Correct answer is option C, Ghaziabad. Which state government launched the Maji Vasundhara Campaign 6.0 to strengthen environmental conservation efforts? Correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. When is the International Day of the Tropics observed annually? Correct answer is option D, 29th June. Kappad and Chal beaches, which have been awarded the Blue Flag certification, are located in which state? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. India's first solar border village, Masali, is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Where was the 8th Indian Ocean Conference held in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, Muscat, Oman. Shri Bhupender Yadav visited Nepal in May 2025 to attend the first Sagarmatha Samvad. What was the theme of the event? Correct answer is option B. Climate change, mountains and the future of humanity. Which district in India became the first to meet its entire power demand with solar energy? Correct answer is option D. Diu. Which glacier in Nepal has become the first to be declared dead after shrinking by 66% since the 1970s? Correct answer is option B. Yala Glacier. What is the newly revised official length of India's coastline as per updated mapping techniques? Correct answer is option D. 11,098.8 km. Who was honored with the most influential environmentalist award on World Environment Day? Correct answer is option B. Acharya Prashant. Which city aims to become the world's first city fully powered by renewable energy? Correct answer is option C. Amaravati, Andhra Pradesh. Simlipal Tiger Reserve, designated as the 107th National Park of India, is located in which state? Correct answer is option C. Odisha. Which country has granted Mount Taranaki legal rights equal to a person? Correct answer is option C. New Zealand. When was the first World Day for Glaciers celebrated? Correct answer is option A. 21st March 2025. Which African country became the first to sign the International Solar Alliance Country Partnership Framework? Correct answer is option D. Mauritius. What was the theme of World Environment Day 2025 observed on 5th June every year? Correct answer is option B. Beat plastic pollution. What was the theme of World Elephant Day 2025 observed on 12th August? Correct answer is option D. Bringing the world together to help elephants. Which state government announced 7th August as Sustainable Agriculture Day in honor of Dr. M.S. Swaminathan? Correct answer is option C. Maharashtra. Which Indian railway unit rolled out the country's first removable solar panel pilot project in August 2025? Correct answer is option C. Banaras Locomotive Works. Cambodia adopted the Hargila Army Conservation Model of which Indian state for biodiversity conservation? Correct answer is option C. Assam. When was World Lag Day 2025 observed? Correct answer is option B. 27th August. What is the theme for World Earth Day 2025? Correct answer is option A. Our Power, Our Planet. Where was India's second green hydrogen plant inaugurated? Correct answer is option B. Gorakhpur. Where did India's first state of the art animal stem cell biobank and laboratory inaugurated? Correct answer is option B. Hyderabad. Which city became the first in Madhya Pradesh to receive the CII IGBC Green City Platinum certification? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.